PUBG Mobile Title Unlock, how to equip and unlock titles on profile. In order to equip a title in PUBG Mobile, what you basically have to do is you wanna just go ahead and then open up the PUBG Mobile game, and from the top left hand side you can see your profile, right? So you want to go to your profile section right here. Now when you come to the profile section, on the right hand side you want to go to the customs tab right here. So when you come to customs, you'll find a list of unlocked titles. If you have those titles unlocked, you can select that and you can choose to claim that title in this case, and this way you can equip and unlock the titles on profile for PUBG Mobile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in our next video.